In this part, we are going to check the users whether he is clicking the input area or clicking the to-do items. Because when the user click on the to-do items, it should display the title and details so he can edit. And if he click on the other area, it should clear the titles and also clear the details so he can update the to-do. And now we are going to our input, the to-do form, and at here we are going to add the use ref because we want to detect the input area. So we type constant input area ref is equal to use ref, and then we also has to import the use ref from React, and then we go to the input field and type ref is equal to input area ref. And then we have to go to add the use effect. We go to here and add the use effect. And what it is doing is it is going to check if it is contained in the input area. If this is not the input area, it will set the to-do. So this is clear the title and clear the details. Otherwise, it just console log this is inside the input area. And so now we can go to the to-do item because we already has the condition that to clear the title and detail. So the next thing is we want it to set the to-dos to the input box. So we go to the list item and set on click is going to set to-do, and then we pass the to-do, and we have the ID, the title, the detail, and also the timestamp because we already passed at here. But you may already acknowledge or realize the problem that we do not have the set to do at this component. So we have to put this into the use context. So where is the set to do? The set to do is at the to do form. And we can see this is at here. So we cut this. And instead of using the use state, we will go to get the to-do and set the to-do by using the use context data. So we paste this to-do and set to-do at the index page. Why we need to do this is because we will pass this to our providers, the context providers, so every component can use this to do and set to do. And then we also go back to the to do. And then at here we are going to need the set to do, so we go to get the set to do function by using the use context. And now we can see whether it works. And it has not import the use effect in the to-do form, so we go to here and add the use effect and save it. Now if we click on this, you can see it do not have the timestamp, and we go to the to-do, and because we have the spelling mistake, so we paste to here. And now if we click on this, we get the timestamp and the title and also the detail. And if you want to look more clear at the JSON, you can type, for example, if you go to the to-do form and we type the JSON dot stringify and then to-do and then null and then the /t and close it and close the curly bracket. And now you can see we have the timestamp, detail, and also the ID, so we can change according to this ID. And if we click on the other area, you can see it clear all the things and without ID and without timestamp. So we can determine whether the user is going to update the to-do or adding a new to-do by using whether it has the timestamp